So class, we are going to study about the other branches of biology. So what are the other branches of biology? The first, it is called paleontology, the study of fossils. Okay, it is called what? Paleontology. So this paleontological fossil study help us to study that how the evolutionary changes might have taken place in the course of time. Okay, so this paleontological evidences are very important to study the evolutionary changes. Second, we are going to study economic biology. Economic, the name tells you, you are going to study the how the country or how your country will be benefited. Economic always related with the money. So it is saying here, the branch of biology that deals with the economic or the urbanization, okay, utilitarian of the subject. Okay, example, you all know that pisciculture. Okay, by selling of the fish you get the money. That is also one of the method by which you are earning the money. Pearl culture, agriculture, these are the process by which your country will be benefited and you will get economy through it. Okay, economical growth by it. Next is cytology, which deals with the study of the cell. It is called cytology. Microbiology, study of the microorganism. Okay, that is called what? Microbiology. Taxonomy, classification of plant and animal. You are classifying that there are, you all can say, there are lakhs and millions of animals in this world, and that animals, when they are plants, animals or plants, they are categorized according to their race, according to creed, according to the species. That is called what? Taxonomy. Next, it is called pathology. You all know pathology deals with the nature, symptoms and causes of difference of the living organism. Okay, it tries to point out their prevention and remedies. So pathology, the term, this is a very common term. You all, whenever you have a fever, the doctor tells you to recommend the blood test, and you all go where? You all go to this pathology lab. Why? Because by studying your blood cells, or by studying the they will help you all to give, they will give you a result, and through which result the doctor will analyze that yes, what all changes or what all your bodily changes you have in your body. Okay, so it is called what? Pathology. Pathology deals with the nature, symptoms and causes of different diseases of living organism, right class? Next, we are going to study, there are major branches of science. Okay, biology, the first branch, it is called botany. Botany deals with the study of the plant, and then you have the zoology. Zoology deals with the study of the animals. Okay, in case of the botany, you have different branches subdivided in it. One, it is called bacteriology, study of the bacteria. Then you have agrology, that deals with the study of the grass like plants or the grass. Dendrology, dealing with the trees. And mycology deals with the fungi. And then you have paleontobotany, deals with the plant fossils. In case of zoology also, that is dealing with the animal, study of the animal. You have helminthology, which deals with the parasitic worms. Okay, next you have what? Entomology, which deals with the study of the insect. Then you have malacology, that deals with the mollusca. Then you have ornithology, that deals with the birds, study of the birds. Then you have paleontology, again, that deals with the animal fossils. Then you have fisheries, that deals with the, in broad sense, okay, water resources and how the fish are inhabited in that. Okay, next, in the last, you have anthropology, that is, you are studying the study is concerned with the study of various races of the mankind. That is called what? Anthropology. So we have completed up to here the different branches of the biology. Okay, we'll continue in the next class with the infusion knowledge of other branches of the science into biology. Thank you class.